About data or data, they will ask you to find these four different things. And let me write down, well, have we done line plots? Do I have to do that too? Alright, you've got this piece of paper, get a whole separate one out here and write line plots on it. We'll get back to that one. Believe me, you'll need that other piece, so just leave it there for a second or two. We'll get to it in a second here. A line plot is a way to organize data. And write down these numbers for me, please. Well, I guess let's just do it the way the book does. 5, 8, 8, 10, 11, 12, 12, 12, 12, 2 13s, 14, 16, 2 17s. Do I have 13? Just a little more, 6, perfect. 1 18 and a 19. Okay. All these numbers here are my little pieces of data here. Who knows what it stands for? Maybe it's how many lollipops Zach ate today. I don't know. Okay.
That's random.
This is what a line plot would look like. It's a way to organize these numbers so that you can kind of see how many numbers of each type you have. And what the first thing you would do is think about the range. You're going from 5 to 19. So you're going to make a number line that has those numbers. You could start at 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you got a line, a number line that has all those numbers on it. And a line plot just simply means you put an X above the number where it is on the number line. For example, here's a 5, so I put an X at 1X at 5. And apparently I can't get this thing to right. You have 2 8s, so here at 8 you make 2 X's. You have 2 10s, so at 10 you make 2 10s. 1 11, 4 12s, 2 13s, 1 14, 1 16, 2 17s, and 18, and a 19. And what that line plot does is it just kind of gives you a visualization of where most of the things kind of fall. In other words, you can look at it and you can kind of see that there was a bigger clump of numbers right here than there were over there and over here. It's just a way to organize stuff so that you can see which one you have more or less than or whatever there. Good? Because now we go to mode, median, and mean. And I wonder if I can copy this. Let's try this. I don't remember saying you start randomly saying different things. Okay. Now, if you talk about mode, mean, median, and range, okay, you have to do a couple things first. Unfortunately, this one's already been done. Actually, you need to copy this over. on this page. R. You can use your cut and paste feature on your pencil. Okay. So write down a 5, 2 8s, 2 10s, an 11, 2 12, 4 12s, 2 13s, a 14, a 16, 2 17s, an 18, and a 19. Step number 1 on this is you need to arrange your numbers from least to greatest. And it already is, so you don't have to worry about that, but other numbers won't be. Arrange from least to greatest. I'll give you time to get that taken care of. We seem to be like just spinning our wheels in math here. We never seem to make. So we have to talk about this time of youth pot. Okay, that should be enough time for you. And here's the deal with mode, mean, and mean, and range, and all that sort of stuff. First thing, mean, ladies and gentlemen. Mean is nothing new to you because mean is the same as average. And you already know how to do average. I don't know for sure that I'll do this well. Sure, let's do it. Adding all these numbers together, let's see if we can do this together without actually. 5 plus 8 is 13, 21, 31, 41, 52, 64, 76. What is that, 88? Oh, look at that, 100, 126, 140, 156, 156 and 14. That works out nicely, doesn't it? 156 and 14 is what, 180? 198, 217. I don't know if that's right, but it was. And how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If I did that right, if you had to guess what the average of those numbers is, Colton, you'd say it's probably somewhere around what? Oh, 12, 13, somewhere in there. If you get a number like 150, you know you did it wrong. What's this, 18 and 37, maybe it's 36. Let's just, for posterity's sake, say the average was 12. Because it's awful close. I might have added one wrong there. You already know how to do average, I didn't want to spend that much time on it. The second one is the median. And it's good to think about where have you heard these words before. It gives you a little clue as to what the word actually means. Anybody ever heard of a median before? Kyle Westfall, it's? Okay, it's the middle of the road. When you're driving, it is the middle number. Which means this. How many numbers did I have? I counted them up for you. There were 18 of them. Where's the middle of 18? This is kind of tricky, actually, for you. It's actually what, Kendall? 9 is actually not the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's the middle. There is no number that is exactly a middle. If it was an odd number, the middle number, there'd be one middle number. When there's no exact middle number, you look at the two middle numbers and find their average. Well, what's the average of two 12s? So the median is 12. The mode, boys and girls, the mode, again, the key, kind of a little trick to remember in mode, is it starts with the same first two letters. Mode is the number that appears the most. So here, if you look at this, we know that the 12 is 4 times, 10 is 2, whatever, but so the mode is also 12. It appears the most. And then the last one, the range. The range is nothing more than subtracting the smallest from the biggest. It's not going to be 12, I don't think, is it?
Maybe.
You want to know the range, and the range goes, it's 19, and you take away 5. This has a range of 14. there are 14 different numbers from the smallest to the greatest. You look at 14 different spaces. Perfect. Oh boy. Now, since we got a little bit of time here, stop this first of all.